Welcome to the SMBU Daily Video. I was looking over the trade executions and stock selection for one of our developing traders today. This is the first day of the month. And this is also the time where we set monthly goals. And these two events collided that got me a little bit disappointed in one of our traders that I wanted to correct. And so I asked the trader to come in and chat with me about their stock selection and really their thinking about why they traded these stocks. I thought the trader, one, traded too many stocks. I thought the trader, two, was taking technical setups that didn't really have a big enough edge. And I want to stop here and talk about that. Lots of people learn technical analysis. Lots of people think the holy grail is technical analysis. Very few people actually learn the technical setups that are worth taking and the technical setups that you should let go. There are going to be technical setups that you see that you might make money in. They're probably not good enough for you to take. You're going to see technical setups, you look and you're like, I think I can squeeze out some money from that. That looks like that's setting up. That doesn't mean you should actually take the trade. And this is a big lesson that you need to learn if you are going to be a technical trader. You want to be thinking about, is there really going to be follow through in this technical setup? How many people really are going to short the stock below this level? How many people are really going to buy the stock above this technical resistance level? Is it really going to follow through? And if it's not, maybe I shouldn't take it. There's too many technical traders taking technical trades that just are not worth it. And I saw that looking at the stock selection from one of these traders. There's maybe 1 out of 9 stocks that this trader had made that was worth him taking on a technical basis. It's okay to be a technical trader. That's fine if that's the way you want to look at markets. I prefer to have a news catalyst behind technical trades and not just rely on technical trades, but you can be just a technical trader. But you can't be a technical trader who takes all of the technical setups without understanding the best ones from the not so best ones. And so we were having this conversation in my office, and I was making that point to a trader, and it really leads to a larger point, which you should be thinking about at the beginning of the month, which is, how are you going to get paid? How are you going to get paid in the month of December? It's the holiday season, okay? In New York, one of the most frustrating things for me is that nobody works in August and nobody works in September until the end of the Jewish holidays. And nobody works after Thanksgiving until the beginning of the new year, okay? I don't know how anyone supports themselves in New York City, because the only work that gets done in the fall and the beginning of the winter in New York is in October and some of November. Any other times, people don't work. I work, but nobody else seems to work. And so in this period where we're in this holiday season where not as many people are working, you have to actually be more selective in the stocks that you're trading. You have to understand we're not in earnings season. You have to understand there's not going to be as much follow through just in general because of time of season. And so you got to be even more selective and harder on yourself about finding those technical setups that may work for you. You even want to be excluding some extra technical setups in a time like this. Anyway, I thought I'd share with you guys a discussion we had in closed chambers on our desk with one of our developing traders, and I hope you take away from this. Understand how you're going to get paid before the month starts. See it. See the trades that are really worth your attention. Be able to understand, like, this is a trade that I really can make a lot of money in, and when I see it, I'm going to be aggressive and I'm going to take it, and understand, well, these are going to be some setups that I might make a little bit of money in, and they're probably not worth my time, so I'm not going to take them. Okay? I'm going to wait for those setups which really are best for me, and that's how I'm going to put together a month where I get paid. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon. Trade well.